Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate some neck exercises for you. Okay, so the first exercise will be the neck extension exercise. You go down on your belly and you prop yourself up with your forearms like this. What you don't want to do, you don't want to let the torso drop between the shoulder blades like that. Keep upright, gently let the head fall, control it, and look straight ahead. You can go a bit further, go ahead, come back down slowly, go up again, down, up again. What you don't want to do is let the head flop down quickly like this, and then fling like that. Okay, so this movement is wrong. It's a controlled movement. And up. Do for the recommended amount of repetitions. Then you have the neck flexion exercise. Go onto your back. So here. Chin to chest, back down. Chin to chest, back down. Again, it's a controlled movement. Do this for the required amount of repetitions. Okay. Then you can do it on the side. Here. Lay down like this. Let the head drop. Come back up. Let the head drop. Come back up. Okay? Feel a bit of a stretch when you reach this position. Come back up. Okay? And you also do it for the other side as well. Then you have your cervical retraction exercise. This is for those of you who especially are sitting by a laptop, doing office work for long periods, where you are in this position and you're basically training your head to be forward a bit too much. When the head is forward too much, you're working these muscles too much, and that causes muscle spasms, which then leads to pain. So the cervical retraction exercise is basically a chin tuck exercise, where you're looking at an imaginary point in front of you, and you're making a double chin. Release. Release. Okay, notice the double chin. Release. Okay. When the head is pulled back, what you don't want to do is to end up looking up or down. So what you don't want is this. Okay. That is wrong. Also, you don't want this. Okay, that is also wrong. Remember, keeping your head straight, looking at that imaginary pointer in front of you, and release. When you pull back, contract there very tightly, and release. If you're getting trouble pulling the head back, what you can do, you can start by throwing the head forward first, like this. Then pull back, forward, and pull back. Okay, so that is the cervical retraction exercise, or your chin tuck exercise. The next one will be to work the scalene muscles. These are the muscles right here, where you lay on your back. Head is on the floor or on the mat, and it's a nose to ceiling exercise. Up, notice the head is leaving the floor. Up, go back to the floor, up, nose to ceiling. Okay, this exercise is different from this one. Okay, this and this are two different maneuvers. Okay, so that is to work your scalene muscles, which are right here. And of course, you have to do some neck stretching. So what you can do, sit on the floor. Okay, and then you, to stretch the muscle on this side, let the head drop this way, and you put your hand just above the ear. Give it a slight pull. Feel a slight stretch here. Hold for the recommended amount of time given to you by the therapist. When you're done, slide the hand here. Bring back to the neutral position. Take the hand, put it above the ear. Slight pull. Feel a bit of a stretch right there. Hold for the recommended amount of time. When you're done, do this. And repeat for the amount of time given to you by your therapist. So these are some basic neck exercises and a neck stretch to help those of you who are suffering from neck pain.